To show you how to create a radial gradient in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app and find a picture from the gallery that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we open the image, we have to go into the masking tool. It's this symbol, or we have to type M. Then we have to find radial gradient, or press R. After we click on it or press R, we get this cursor, and we can make an oval or circle shape that is going to be the masking layer of the radial gradient. We have to set it, and then after we can start editing. We can create points of highlight here this way, and create points of interest in the image. So this is with the masking, and this is without the masking. Only a small change, but it can really alter the way your picture is perceived. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.